Alright, I'm going to start today here in the office. Look what I got here. The engine mounts. Dude, this is so thick. I mean, looking at the picture, it looks like that it's very thin, very fragile. But dude, this is a beast. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do this part in the office. There's a bunch of stuff here. This is the intercooler that I got for the Eclipse, and I'm gonna get the intercooler from the Eclipse and put into the BMW. So let's get that going. I'm gonna open this guy. And apparently, no, they're the same. Okay. So this goes right in there, and this goes right in here, and this here sometimes needs to be pressed, but so far we did it. I'm just gonna hammer with a mallet, not with a hammer. And same thing in here. We're gonna do exactly the same thing. Let's see if I can leverage one into the other. Oh yeah, nice. Nice. Oh wow. That's so tight it doesn't get in there. I bought this from the boys from Drift HQ. Thank you guys. Those guys are awesome, man. And not to say that the owner is Brazilian, so lives right here. So let's go. Let's put in the engine. There are a few more things I need to do in the engine before call it good, which is if you're doing all of this, you need to replace the front sump by a rear sump. And I got the sump. I cleaned that up because it was terrible. Got it at a very good price. I'm not complaining. I knew the status of the thing, and yeah, let's go to work. All right, back in the garage. So I'm gonna get this here and just hammer like that. So I'm gonna use here my high temp grease. I don't need a lot, just a little something here. You can have inside too, because this, the only thing is it needs to be tight in the engine, but this here will move. There you go. Put it in there. I don't want to make a big mess because this can get out of control very easily. I mean, trying to push this thing here, and if it gets all greasy, it's gonna be impossible. There you go. We got it. There you go. Boy. Oh, there you go. Those two bolts without the head, they go right in here. Of course. I don't know what I was thinking. So that's that. I'm gonna take this excess of grease here because I don't need that. The only grease I needed was in here and some inside. And this also is going to help to push this in. Okay, so this one was a little different. I put that one down, pushed this one on top, and used this screwdriver just to pry it in. That worked good. There you go. Yeah. Whew. Wow. All right. Okay. So now we're gonna get that one part that I didn't know what it was, and I'm gonna bolt at one end. So that one goes all the way. So I'm gonna put the smaller side in here. Actually, well, let's just start with that. It could be the other way around. The longer side stays in here, and the smaller side goes to the car. So we would have more contact, more support inside here. But I guess for now it's great. Okay, so we have the two of them assembled. Okay, so I'm on the intake side, and first thing I see is this is in the way, and also I'll need to remove this because I think the pan I'm putting is a little bit different. So I am going to take this out of here, and where else? Right here. Oop. I believe. There you go. Okay, so this is the deal. This goes like this in here. There are two bolts, two holes in here, two holes in here, two holes in here. Those two holes are close together. So if you look here, those two holes are close together. I said close. So if you put this in there, there you go. So this goes in there perfectly, and the gas thing, it is in the way. Okay, so this is the fuel line. I just this is a hard line. It goes down here, so it's just stay tight. So I hold it there, and I held it there. I'm gonna keep it for now, but I might replace it, the whole thing. Okay, so all the bolts are there. Some of them are impossible to use the torque wrench, but most of them we can. Well, actually, I should not have done that, because when I go to the engine, I need to be sure that this is on the right position. So I should drop the engine, put this in here, measure to see if it's gonna fit in the hole, and then move that way or this way. So I'm gonna loosen a little bit, just a notch. Okay. There you go. So this is loose enough, but at least it's in place. I know what else I need to do. Yeah, and this is gonna give me a good, good indication of how it's gonna be. It looks awesome. All right, boys and girls, that's it. It is beautiful. I am not positive if it is on the right position, this guy here, because you see that's great, it looks great there. Let's put the engine. That is great there, but when you look in here and you look the two, you see if we can see it from here. Oh, they're actually the same height. I was afraid they were in different heights, but no, they were. One is right here. You can barely see. It's too much crap in my garage. Anyway, Yeah, I think they are great. They are on the same height and everything. One thing I need to do is see from where is easier for me to put a wrench and replace this if I need to. But I think my engine bay is going to be pretty empty. Even though it's empty, I'm going to put the bolt head on the outside. So this is good, and this is I'm gonna change. So yeah, check it out, pretty cool. TDR. I almost thought it was TRD. So check this out. I'm working the garage, and look who is outside. Yo, it's okay. Are you fighting with another cat? Huh? Are you fighting with another cat? Yeah, you don't need to fight. Come on. So that's it, guys. Stay home, stay safe. If you can work, go work, because America needs you right now. I just have hopes for America now, and for this, not just America, everybody. I don't even know what's gonna happen in Brazil, but just have a hope that someone finds something that's going to make people feel better. So that wouldn't matter much, you know, if people get sick, all of that stuff. But anyway, I'm tired talking about this because I talk about this during the day. I have dreams about this. I even start like feeling like claustrophobic because of this. So anyway, stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.